Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a hidden slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides. You can make a slide hidden. Firstly, select this slide. We can see here the second slide. Now I am click right button on our mouse and we can see here the hide slide option. Now I am select this option to hidden the slide. We can see the slide is hidden. You can make another slide hidden. Click right button again and select the hide slide option. Now we want to make sure the slide is hidden. Enable the presenter view. Select the start from beginning option. Otherwise press F5. Then click and we can see the slide is not showing. Only show the non-hidden slide. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.